Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on Alex Dueto. This machine came in with some steam pressure issues as well as both the steam valve and the hot water valve leaking. We rebuilt both valves. We serviced the tanks with new vacuum breakers, safety valves, and we cleaned the refill probe. We also did some work on the group head with a new shower screen and gasket, and we calibrated a little bit just to make sure the flow came up. Let's see how our shot comes out. Right away, jumped right up to the proper pressure. Temperature, we didn't change much. It's nice where it is. Look at that. Shot's coming out really good. Get it in there. See both lights on the PID. Anyway, we'll give this shot a little ristretto and stop it early. Let's check the steam. We'll purge it. Get some out. Nice strong steam, hot water. Machine asks for water and stops. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our page.